think I lost you there for a second. Measured the outside. So I was saying over here, just to check, I measured the inside, the outside to wall, inside to wall, and then measured that against the outside to inside against that wall. They're the same. So I know that I'm plumb. Everything's in the center. It's all good. Now, I will tell you this, not to confuse you, because I feel like I should probably not say anything, but just in case you're wondering. Okay, so if you see on here, I have a mark that's 3/4 inches off. Because I estimated that my line actually wasn't straight. The way I had to make the arcs, I had to have my son hold the tape measure, and you know, it gets off a little bit. So I determined that the actual center was in between the actual snapped mark and the 3/4 off mark. And so that's how I ended up getting exactly, when I split the difference of the 3/4, which was 6/8. So I went to 3/8. You can even see here where I did it. I had to move things 3/8 over. So anyway, but by doing that, that's how everything got equal. So now everything's equal from the wall in the right dimensions to each other. It's all perpendicular. Tomorrow the lift is coming. Let's see if I can set up a camera or do something, because I'm going to be using a forklift to stand it up. My son will be here to help, but probably won't be helping that much. And then I'll be drilling the holes. I'll try to get it all. I'll try to get it, the whole thing on camera. As you can see, I've done other videos on the garage. I had to move everything. I had this thing all set up. This was all set up. You know, this whole thing was my welding station and air sandblaster. Everything was all cool. And so because I'm getting the lift, I had to move everything over. So everything's a mess right now. Everything's in here too. Total mess. And I'm working on my R8. Got a project going on that. You know how it is. I got a bunch of things going on. So I had to sell some motorcycles because they were never even ridden. Got 2 more to sell. As far as things selling, that's it. Anyway, I'm going way too long.